What's good, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing you how to paint your new front lip on any car pretty much. So the current lip I got was one of them replica Mugen type eBay front lips, the polyurethane. So I'm gonna show you how to paint it. It's a very simple process. If it's still all black, just raw polyurethane. So I'm on my way to the auto parts store. Let's go.
Look at Shapiro, you make me sick. You don't like freedom and look like a weirdo. Pay for his attorney general bid, but he thinks he's a hero. We ain't been hurting nobody, so why are you making him fearful? Fear-mongering, all posturing, meant for dividing and conquering. Wonder who sponsors him. Mr. Frisk and Search, I'm vomiting, mind-boggling, it's false marketing. Want the Constitution toppling, but they wrong again. We just want freedom like soccer was blossoming. Liberty.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to paint your polyurethane front lip, side skirts, rear lip, anything that's polyurethane. That's raw, just straight black polyurethane. So the main items you're going to need is 320 grit sandpaper, a red Scotch-Brite pad, and one of these block 320 super sponges, and then optional is an orbital sander. And then you're going to need primer, and then whatever color you're going to paint your polyurethane part.
Later that day.
Alright, when you're painting poly parts, especially just like raw black polyurethane parts, it's real easy. All you have to do is pretty much just etch the surface and get that factory like shine that they have on it. I believe it's like a protective coating for shipping or something like that. Here's the front lip, and you see how it's shiny down here, and then the top I've already done. You see how it's like sort of scuffed up and scraped up. That's how you want it. So you need that to look like this, and then once you got everything scuffed up and sanded down, clean it really well, do one final little light sand on it, clean it with acetone, and then you're ready to start painting. So I'm gonna get the bottom portion of the lip. I got the top and this side done so far. The only thing about just doing type of body stuff like this is just like getting like these little deep crevices right here. It's just a pain in the rear end, so we're gonna get it done and let's get to it.
Years later.
I got everything sanded down. So there was a couple corners that was really roughed up that I have to like edge up with the sandpaper and stuff like that. So I got everything sanded down. So I'm just gonna clean it with just straight soapy water, rinse it down real good, do another light scrub with a Scotch-Brite pad. It's a lot less coarse than the 360 grit. Hit it with the Scotch-Brite, clean it again, and then that's when I'm gonna lay the primer. I'm gonna wash the front lip down. So let's go.
A few moments later.
Alright, it is 9 o'clock. I'm about to lay down the first coat of primer. I'm gonna let it dry overnight. So I'm gonna be out here early in the morning. I gotta get this stuff done because I need this lip on. I still gotta do both my side skirts, I got the Mugen rear lip coming. I got the coilovers coming. I just got a lot of stuff to do trying to get it done. So.
The next day.
Alright, so I got the front lip dried off. I just wiped it down with a microfiber towel. And let's get to painting. So I just hope it turns out good. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna do one more coat. To be honest, I think I'm gonna use the rest of this can, which I think it might be 2 more coats, and then I'm gonna lay down the clear. Usually there's a ball in these cans, right? I don't hear no ball in this clear coat. But in this clear coat, this 2X clear coat, I can hear a ball in there shaking it up. So I don't know if I should use this clear or not. I'm just really apprehensive about using this. So I don't know. I'm gonna definitely lay down another coat or 2. Just use the rest of this can on the lip, and then I'm going to see if I'm going to use the Duplicolor clear coat or use this 2X Ultra Cover Gloss Rust-Oleum clear coat. I don't know, but let's get to painting. Peace. Alright, so we got the first coat of clear on, and it looks really, really good. For me, just to do it by myself with the most minimalist amount of tools and minimalist amount of money put into it. I'm about to do the second coat, let it dry, and then the third coat. And then depending on if the third coat looks good, I'm gonna just leave it at that. Third coat, here we come. Let's go, baby. Shoot.
Day 3.
Alright, y'all, so it is the next day. It is a total of 4 base coats of the 737 M4 color, and then I believe it was either 4 or 5 of the clear coat, and it actually turned out really good. I mean, that's pretty much almost spot on, but I'm about to put the lip on. My battery is about to die, so I'm gonna put on the lip, I'm gonna put on the front splitter, the little side splitter parts, and then after that, then I will have to record it tomorrow if my phone dies. So, here we go. Alright, so I got the front lip on. Actually didn't turn out that bad. And I feel like it wasn't an exact match on the color. But here's one spot that I really, really need to touch up. And I dremeled the crap out of this part right here. And I dremeled in this crease right here. And I dremeled right there. So I'm assuming it's touching right here. So I'm going to have to dremel along this seam right here. Just to make it fit in flush. So it'll fit in flush like that. But other than that, yeah, it looks good.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
I got the front lip installed. I got the front splitter installed. But here is what the front lip looks like. So it's the Mugen style front lip with the front splitter. Turned out really good. We just got a really heavy rain, so this is a couple days after I got done painting it. It looks okay. It wasn't color matched very properly, and you know, that's my doing, but all in all, it looks really good. I mean, no paint rubbing off. Yeah, I mean, not bad for, I don't know. The parts is, the front lip was like 100 something bucks. The splitter was like 60 something bucks. And then the paint and materials. So this whole setup, the front lip, the splitter, the paint, the primer, the Scotch-Brite pad, all that, probably about maybe 300 total. Maybe a little more, a little less. Yeah, so I'm gonna get into some B-roll, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was educational for you guys. It's really easy, especially when you're painting like raw polymer, plastic, polyurethane parts. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'm out of here. Peace.